A new study from Dell Medical School at UT Austin shows that whooping cough is making a dangerous comeback here in the Lone Star State. More than 3,500 cases have been confirmed this year. That's the highest in over a decade and a tenfold increase since 2023. Health officials say declining vaccinations, increased travel, and low awareness of adult boosters are fueling the surge. The disease is especially dangerous for infants and vulnerable populations. Experts urge parents to vaccinate children and for adults to stay up to date on their boosters. Stay connected to what's happening across the Lone Star State with Texas News Now, your daily statewide newscast. It has the top headlines, the stories that matter to you, and weather from every corner of Texas. Catch Texas News Now streaming weekdays at 11 a.m. or anytime on demand. That's only on CBS 19 Plus. Download that app for free on your smart TV if you haven't done it already.